Hi kids! Welcome to this week's edition of TBC Kids Club. I'm your host, Crafty Aggie. TBC Kids Club is a children's club that seeks to promote learning through art, crafts, and do-it-yourself activities. If you are a parent, register on the links below and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin, shall we? In this activity, I'll be showing you how to make a days of the week learning craft. You will need the following materials. Number 1, a cardboard box, which you can get from an old carton. Next, we have a 30 centimeter ruler. Then we have office clips. Then we have paper. You'll need a variety of colors. Then we have a pair of scissors. Always remember to ask for help when handling these sharp objects. Then we have a marker pen, or you can also use a pencil, a black crayon, or a black colored pencil. Then we have Uhu multi-purpose glue. If you don't have this, you can just use super glue. All these materials, except for this old cardboard box, can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1, divide your cardboard box into 7 different sections as follows. Okay, so this is your cardboard strip. Just take your ruler together with your marker pen and make markings above and below the ruler. So now we want to make 7. So 1, 2. This is the third one. We're making 7 because there are 7 days in a week. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, what we do now is that we want to chop off this excess part. This is good. Step 2, cut out 7 strips from the colored paper as follows. So here we have our colored paper. We have purple, orange, yellow, green, and pink. So we only have 5 of them, meaning that 2 colors will occupy 2 segments on our board. So line them up together. Just place your ruler on top of the paper like that. Hold it down very firmly, and then just make your strips like that. So we need 2 extra colors. We'll work with purple and orange so that we get 7 strips. So repeat the same process. Just take your ruler and press it down and streak off your strips of paper. Like this. Step 3, stick the strips onto the cardboard as follows. So take your Uhu glue or super glue and dab it on the cardboard box. So we're going to stick the strips one by one. We're going to start with pink. Just place it so that it fits neatly inside the space. Then just go on, dab glue on the cardboard, and place them on top like that. Then now we want to trim off this excess side. Turn it over. Just cut through. Great! This is it. Step 4, write the different days of the week on the colored strips of paper as follows. So let's start writing. We will start with day 1, which is Monday. Then we go to Tuesday. Then Wednesday. Make sure you get the spellings right and always counter check as you're writing down the days. And Thursday. Then we have Friday. Saturday. And finally Sunday. And this is it. Step 5. Write out the phrase "today is" and stick it onto the office clip as follows. Okay, so this is just a small strip of paper which I got from the side cutout. I just folded it in half like this, and then I have this. So with your marker pen, just write "today is," just like that. Then take your glue. You just want to bob a little bit of it on our office clip, on this upper bit. This one. So we just want to take our paper and stick it on top there. So you've seen where I have put my glue. I hope you can see. It's not on the entire office clip, just this top bit. Then because it's a double fold, we'll also stick these two together. This is the top and the bottom, so that it doesn't open up. Finally, let's learn how to use it. Okay, so take your clip with the "today is" phrase, hold it with one hand, and hold your board with the other hand. Then let's take today for instance. Today is Saturday. So what you have to do is just insert this clip over on that side, and you have your day marked out. Today is Saturday. Let's do another day. Let's say Tuesday. So you just clip it there. Today is Tuesday. Let's do another day. Say Wednesday. So you move your clip and stick it on the tab for Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And you can do this daily until you get a firm grip of your days of the week. Take a photo of your project and upload it using the hashtag TVC Kids Club to stand a chance of winning cool gift hampers from Textbook Center. Now, for our next activity, let's make a cool pick and place game. You will need the following materials: a cardboard box, which is just from an old carton, a kitchen towel roll inning, which is slightly longer than a normal tissue roll inning. Then we have bottle tops from old beverage bottles. Then we have a watercoloring set together with a cup of water. Next we have plastic spoons. If you can find colored ones, the better, but white ones will just work as fine. Then next we have a circular template. This is just a sellotape, clear tape. So just find anything circular to use. Then we have a peg, the normal clothes peg. Then we have a black marker pen, or you can just use a pencil or a black pen. Then next we have a box cutter. This is very sharp, so always ask for help when handling this. Then next we have a pair of scissors, which is also sharp, so ask for help from an adult. And finally we have a glue gun, which uses electricity, so please ask for help when handling this. All these materials, except for the bottle tops, the water, the peg, the kitchen towel roll inning, and the cardboard box can be found at Textbook Center. Step 1. Decorate your towel roll inning with your color of choice as follows. So as usual, you first dip your brush in the water, then you go to your preferred color. So I'm going to work with orange. So what we're going to do with the decoration today, we won't paint all of it. I'll just go bobbing on dots all around the tissue roll just to give it some color. I'll mix the orange with yellow. So first I'll do a round of orange, then I'll go around doing a round of yellow. Just want to give this brown, plain kitchen towel roll inning some pop of color. But I encourage you to do the entire painting of it. You have the time, and I'm sure it will be super fun for you. You can dip it in water. Back to my color. Then just make streaks. How does that look? Fancy enough, right? Step 2. Using a box cutter, make cuts on the tissue roll inning as follows. So this is your box cutter, and then we have our painted tissue roll inning. So be very careful. In fact, you should have an adult help you out with this, because what we want to do is poke a hole and then make a cut like this. So you have to be really careful not to cut yourself. So this is the first cut. You're just going to go randomly around the tissue roll. So first we make a hole and then we make the cut. Oops, sorry, that. This is the second one. Then you pick another spot somewhere at the bottom here. So you first pierce it down, then you make your cut, and then we have 3 now. So let's go ahead and make more. This and another one over here to become full circle. So this is our first cut, so let's leave it at that. Or let's make a last one here. I think the last one right here will fit really well. So let's go around counting how many cuts we have. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 4, 5, 6. We only have 6 cuts. Step 3. Draw and cut out a circle from the cardboard as follows. You do remember our circular template, right? So this is the one which you're going to use to trace out the circle. Take your marker pen and just draw around it. Then we want to cut it out using a pair of scissors. So just cut along your outline. I'll have to cut it all the way till the end so as to create space for my short pair of scissors. Then let's just go all around our circle. Done. Now we want to stick the tissue roll inning onto the base that we've just cut out. So using our glue gun, we are just going to smear some around the edge, the bottom edge of this towel roll inning, and then stick it at the center there. You can also go around it again. Just another layer of wax won't hurt. And it is stable enough. Step 4. Push the spoons through the cuts made on the towel roll inning as follows. So here we have our spoons, all colored. We have pink, white, and green. So we'll just try and distribute them all around the tissue roll inning. So let's start with green. This is the cut. So just push it through till you see it's firmly stuck onto the tissue roll. Then we move around to this other one. They may meet somewhere inside here, so you can just be mindful and be doing this while looking inside. So we want it to be upright, so I'll just leave it like that. Yeah, nice. And where is the third one? Here. So we use white for this. Nice! This one has fit quite snugly inside there. Okay, this green is facing downward and we want it to be upright. Then let's place one here. See another slit here at the bottom. Nice. Let's look for another one. I think this is another one over here. So we'll try and have it face this other side. Hope it's not interfering with this one. Yeah, nice. Oh. So here we have. This is good enough. Finally, with our peg, pick the bottle tops and place them on the spoons one at a time. Okay, so let's begin. First one, you pinch the first bottle top with a peg, then you place it there. So it's just releasing. You go over again, second one, and then you release it onto the second spoon. So this game will enhance your concentration and will also improve your fine motor skills. You'll be able to coordinate with your hand and your brain. You'll be able to know when to pinch, to pick, when to release, and to let go. Then we can do it again from the spoons, now placing them onto the table. So take your bottle top gently and then place it there. Pick it up, release, pick it up, release, pick it up, release, pick the last one up, and release. Wasn't that cool? You can repeat this activity with your friends to make it more fun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't miss out on a chance of winning fun gift hampers from Textbook Center. Simply upload photos of your projects using the hashtag TBC Kids Club. Remember to subscribe to this channel or click the links below for more details. See you all next time. Bye!